hazvira kumira zvakanaka panguva ino. Tirikuona kuti panguva ino zvinhu zviri kuitika the military, appointments ari kuitika ema-new commanders eku-defense forces nemamwe ma-positions. Tikaona mamwe ma-colonels ari kuappointiwa, zvobuda pachena kuti these appointments panguva ino nema-generals ari kureplacewa. Aiwa, zviri kunyatso kumeka sure kuti the governance irimo munyika yeZimbabwe it must remain unchanged, achipanda kana kutombochinja. Generals ndo angatoreplacewa, but the governance will never change. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mkremo chanoposta this picture muri kuona tukamiri wenyika panguva ino achipresida over the appointment at the new commander opendera mberi yanyora achiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent appointment of new commander of the defense forces is not the routine choreography of state administration. It is a calculated consolidation of power, executed with the precision of a ruler who understands that in Zimbabwe, the barracks remain the true theater of politics. This is not a reform, it is entrenchment. Once again, the nation's political future is being scripted not in parliament, not in civic forums, not in the voices of citizens, but in the shadowed corridors of military command. Obeyed by Wellington Muzengeza. These appointments are critical. It's not like they are reforming, but it will now have to consolidate a power. Calculated moves are equal, execute with the precision of a ruler and understand kuti muZimbabwe kana ida kungokepcha estate tamba zvakanaka kumabarracks. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pe-this development nechitiko ichi chiri kuitika muZimbabwe. Bvira comment section medu, subscribe or like, chita bell icon.